how to turn on AI subtitles on VLC Media Player. So if you want to turn on AI subtitles on VLC Media Player, so as an example, the VLC Media Player, they said that they will add an AI subtitle option and it will be available in the VLC 4 version, of course 4.0 or newer. So if you want to check if you do have this version, then you can just simply go with your VLC Media Player, just open it up and then go with Help, which is in the top left, and click on About, and you'll be able to see your version. For me, I do have 3.0.2.1 version. Of course, I won't have that option. So what you need to do is just simply go back, just remove this, and go with the browser, and here type in download 4.0 VLC. For PC, you'll find official websites. You can just simply click on the official website of VLC, and you will find a version which is above than 3.0. But if you don't find it, like on the official website, as you can see that you will have the version 3.0.21, which means that the version 4 is not out yet. And any version that you find, for example, like if you go and search for 4.0, then you will have a lot of websites that say that they offer the 4.0 version. Then it's a scam or it's a total virus. So the version or the option is not out yet. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.